Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva Magic Media. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here I am on canva.com. So when you're all logged in, if you go down to the bottom right hand corner, you'll see all the little apps symbol. So if you click on apps and actually search for Magic Media, because we're going to need to install it first of all. Okay, so once we've searched for it, we're going to have it appear over here, Magic Media. If you simply click on it and then actually select open. Okay, so just along here then, once we're on this page, we can see different styles that it's able to generate for you. So you've got different styles like photo, vibrant, minimalist, moody. There's really so many different styles that you could actually create using Magic Media. So these are just some of the examples here. Also, you can even change it to make it more like digital art, so it can give it a retro wave, 3D, concept art type look, and there's even fine art as well, so watercolor, oil painting. So there's so many different styles to choose from. Okay, so then if we just go back to the main page, and then you can even see you can change the aspect ratio, so square, portrait, depending on what you're going to use it for, potentially for social media. Then you've got the sizes already built in for you. Okay, so in this example then, let's type in our prompt, okay, and we're going to use a dog running on the beach. Okay, so let's then, once you've typed in your prompt, just select generate image. Takes a little while for this to actually create. I've sped up the video just for this purpose, but it can take a little while because it is creating an image from scratch using your prompt. And remember, the more prompt words that you put in there, the more detailed you are, the better your result will be. Okay, so once you've chosen an image that you actually like, so here we've got 4 images, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, if we just enlarge this for the moment. Okay, so that was our text to image. Now let's try one using text to video. So over here, you just select videos, and we're going to use the prompt sunset beach using cinematography scenery. So then you just select generate video. Now again, I've sped this up. This can definitely take a lot more longer because a video takes a while to actually generate. So I've sped up the video for this. Once it's generated a video, you can just simply select it and drag it down into your timeline. And then it should actually appear with a play button. Simply press that and it should slowly move or do some kind of movement because it is obviously a video. Okay. And that's it. That's how to use Canva Magic Media. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.